Hello everyone, welcome all of you. As you know that we are studying about complex numbers, and now the next topic is integral power of iota. That means how can we find the value of iota to the power 6, iota to the power minus 7, iota to the power 205, like this. So watch the complete video for this concept. See here. You know that iota is equal to root under minus 1. Iota is equal to root under minus 1. And now iota to the power 0 is what? You know that iota to the power 0. But a to the power 0 equal to 1. A is not equal to 0. You know. That means 2 to the power 0 equal to 1, 3 to the power 0 equal to 1, and 2 by 3 to the power 0 equal to 1, right? But what is the value of 0 to the power 0? This is not defined. This is not defined, right? So iota to the power 0 equal to also 1. Clear? Now iota to the power 1 is equal to iota. Iota to the power 2 equal to, see here, root under minus 1. Value of iota. Square this, we get minus 1. You know that root under x, square of root under x, that means x to the power 1 by 2 square. Cancel out and we get x. So the square of root under minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Iota q is equal to what? Iota q is equal to iota square into iota to the power 1. How this possible? You know a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus n. That means when base are same, then powers are added. Base same, power added. Iota to the power 3 is written as iota square into iota to the power 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Clear? So iota is square is equal to minus 1. Iota to the power 1 is equal to iota. It become minus iota, right? Iota to the power 4 is equal to what? Iota square into iota square. That means minus 1 into minus 1 is become 1. Always remember this result. What result? Iota to the power 0 equal to 1. Iota to the power 1 equal to iota to the power 2 equal to minus 1, iota to the power 3 equal to minus iota, and iota to the power 4 equal to 1. This result always very helpful for you, so remember this, very important, right? But the next question here, what is the value of iota to the power 6, iota to the power plus 25, like this? That means when power is greater than 4, how can obtain these values? So write this: value of iota to the power m is greater than 4. What is m? M is an integer. M is integer, right? What is the value of iota to the power m when m is greater than 4? That means when power is greater than 4, how can obtain these values, right? See here, concept, normal concept here. What? Divide m by 4. we get quotient here q, but this is not important, not important, right? See here, we get remainder also here, and this is very important. That means iota to the power m is equal to, after dividing m by 4, write iota to the power remainder r, and you know r is equal to 0, 1, 2 or 3, right? Or you know iota to the power 0 equal to 1, to the power 2 equal to minus 1, 3 equal to minus iota, and 4 equal to 1. You know, see the example, see the some examples to clear the concept. First example is iota to the power 5. 5 is greater than 4. We divide the power by 4 when power is greater than 4. Divide 4, we get the remainder 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 is divided by 5 is divided by 4, 4 1s are 4, 1. This is the main thing to you, for you, right? Iota to the power 1 is equal to what? Iota to the power 1 is equal to what? Iota. Second question is iota to the power 23. Divide 23 by 4, we get the remainder. What is the remainder? 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 3, that means remainder is 3. Iota to the power 3 means what is the value of iota to the power 3? Minus iota. Third question is iota to the power 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 1. When we see a big power of iota, big power, then take only 2 digits, 2 last digit, and get a number. Like take 2 digit 2 and 1, we get a 21, and 21 is divided by 4. This is a very important and interesting thing for you. Take last 2 digit, get a number. 21 means 21 is divided by 4. Remainder, what is the remainder? That means 21 is divided by 4, we get remainder 1. Iota to the power 1. Iota to the power 1 is equal to what? Iota. That means iota. It is your final answer. Understand? Next question is here, fourth number question. Number 4, iota to the power 23 plus iota to the power 67 plus 3 iota to the power 91. That means divide 23, get 3 as a remainder, plus divide 67 by 4, we get 3 as a remainder, and 3 into, that means 3 into divide 91 by 4, we get 3 as a remainder. So then see here, minus iota plus minus iota plus 3 into minus iota, that means total value is 3 plus 2 5, minus 5 iota is your final answer. So this term means 3 into, right? So you know what is the integral power of iota, and when the power is greater than 4, we obtain the question like this. But when the power is negative, so see here the next concept, result 1 by iota to the power minus 1 is equal to written as 1 by iota. That means 1 upon iota is written as iota by iota, lies 1 by iota is written as iota by iota. That means lies here iota upon iota square. That means iota by minus 1. That means minus iota. Iota to the power minus 1 equal to minus iota, or 1 by iota is equal to minus iota. Always remember this result. This is very useful for you, right? See the example here. Evaluate evaluate iota to the power minus 9, you know a result like x to the power minus m is written as 1 by x to the power m. You know this fact, right? See here, this is very important result. So iota to the power minus 9 is written as iota to the power 1 by iota to the power 9. Clear? Now here power is positive integer and greater than 4. Power is positive integer and greater than 4. We divide iota to the power 9. 9 divided by 4, we get a remainder 1. That means 1 upon iota is equal to minus iota. It is your final answer. Next example is here, iota to the power minus 19 here. Minus 19 here. So it is written as 1 by iota to the power 19, right? That means 19 is greater than 4, so we can divide 19 by 4, right? 1 upon iota to the power, when we divide 19 by 4, we get 3 as a remainder. 4 ja 16 plus 3 19, the remainder is 3. 1 upon, see here, iota to the power 3 is equal to what? Minus iota, taking as a common 1 by iota, minus 1 by iota is equal to minus iota is equal to iota. It is your final answer. So you can solve a lot of problems on the basis of the power, integral power of iota, like when power is negative, when power is positive. You can solve many problems.